In today's video, I'm going to teach you add rules to your subreddit that reduce low quality posts. We'll walk through a simple process so you can start shaping the kind of content you want in your community and gently discourage low effort or off-topic posts. Even though the steps are straightforward, I'll explain what you're doing and why it matters so you feel confident making these changes. First, make sure you're logged into the Reddit account that has moderator access for the subreddit you want to adjust. Without mod permissions, you won't be able to manage rules or appearance settings. Start by moving your cursor to the top right corner of the Reddit page and clicking on your profile icon. This is the little avatar or profile circle that opens your user menu. This menu is your main hub for account-related options, including where you access various settings that affect how you interact with Reddit and how your content appears. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This takes you to your account settings area, where you can manage preferences related to your profile, privacy, and overall experience on the platform. Think of this as your control panel. Once you're on the settings page, look for the section labeled Profile. Go ahead and click on Profile. This section focuses specifically on how you and your communities are presented to other users. It's where you can adjust visual elements and, depending on Reddit's current layout and features, access options that help guide user behavior in your spaces. Now, click on Banner. The banner is the large image that appears at the top of your profile or community page.